I say about weaker take bold step. At the time of Second World War, the Allied nation imposed a lot of restriction on the three losers countries so that he could become powerful again and not push the world into the fire of World War. Had it been any other country, it would have suffocated, but Japan did not give up the courage. Even after that, it continued to develop. Today, it comes under the category of developed countries who can know more about their pain than Japan. Even today, the army of friendly countries remain in Japan to ban their work, but Japan has to pay all their expenses. For the people of the loser country, it is a compulsion to follow every order of the conquer country. He kept his identity alive even in the midst of that. America forced the oranges of their country to take over the government of Japan. Despite those oranges coming to Japan, no Japanese thought it necessary to buy them, while the oranges were sweeter than the oranges of their country. They were lying rotten. After that, America never put such a condition. The people of Japan do not leave work while opposing the government, but do double work. Just tie a black band on the arm. He did not let any other country influence his dietary exercise, health related habit. Even today, all are living with their ancient values. Seeing his progress, he wishes to salute. All countries are reaching the brink of destruction due to the invasion of corona. Just because the Japan do not seem helpless in front of it.